Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a group training option in Wix Appointments. First, log into your Wix dashboard. In your Wix dashboard, you will then go to Catalog and Booking Services. In here, we will click Add a New Service. Once we have our services here, we can do our group training. They have a template already available. We will start with this. So you have the name, your image, tagline, description, how long this will be, any buffer time. So this is appointment time after this appointment if you want to block time for other appointments to not be made. Then we have per session with a plan. They could buy a membership or a package, or they can do per session or with a plan. So you can set a fixed price and you can set up a membership for your customers to choose from. Next, you have locations. This will automatically bring in your business location. If you wanted to update it for another location, you could do that here under edit. If it is a online, you can click add and that will add it to your service. You can do a Zoom or you could do a custom link. If you are to do Google Meet, you can put that URL here if there's a password in the description. Next, it will automatically assign your staff to this. So if you have one staff member, if you are the only staff member, you will automatically be added. And you can remove anyone that is added that you would not like assigned to this. Next is your resources and rooms. Next section is images, which is a cover image for your service page and your service gallery pages. And then we have booking preferences. By default, your booking policy is set and you can make multiple policies based on the appointment type that you will have. It is already toggled on to accept online bookings. And your default booking form, which you can choose from multiple, and you can edit your form here. Then you can automatically accept all bookings when they're available or manually approve or decline booking requests. So we will go through and we'll update this to our class and we can have our group training here, name. We already have an image based on this, but we can update it by simply changing the image. And you can use the files that you have, or you can use media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Upsplash to easily add items to your store. So you will just select the one that you would like to use and click add to page. So that will update that image there. Your max participants are here, and then we will finish filling out the details. So now that we have all of our information set, we will go ahead and click save.